Hi students, welcome to this session. In the last class we saw about Vellore Fort, Tarangambadi Fort, Jinji Fort and Dindukal Fort. Today we are going to learn about palaces. Tamil Nadu has great palaces in many places. Some are described here. What is a palace? Palace is the official home of a king, queen, president, etc. A very large and impressive house, old fashioned and fancy public building. Why were palace built? Because of the power of the patron and the money and labor available for their construction, also giving importance to architectural and social values of the culture. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace. The majestic Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is a 17th century architecture of Nayakar dynasty. Which dynasty? Nayakar dynasty. It is one of the most popular palaces in South India. The Nayakar Palace is one of the most popular palaces in South India. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is located, that is, it is situated in the city of Madurai. This is one of the tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. Important tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is widely known for its giant pillars. Giant pillars. Pillars means we say it in Tamil. Thungal. It has an archaeological museum. The major attraction of this palace is the courtyard, and the dancing hall. Let us know about Tamukam Palace. Tamukam Palace was the summer residence of the Queen Rani Mangammal of Nayak dynasty. It is located in Madurai. Tamukam Palace is located in Madurai. It is a summer residence of Queen Rani Mangammal. Let us do this activity, children. Connect the following objects with their names. You have to connect the following objects with you. Do it yourself, children. Let us know Fern Hills Palace. Fern Hill Palace in Ooty served as a summer palace for the kings of Mysore. Next palace is Tanjavur Maratha Palace. Tanjavur Maratha Palace is popularly called Tanjavur Aranmanai. It is popularly called as Tanjavur Aranmanai. Tanjavur Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the rulers of Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom. After the fall of Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom, it served as the official residence for Tanjavur Maratha. Tanjavur Maratha Palace complex is a tourist attraction which houses three separate venues, that is the palace, the art gallery and the manuscript library. The library's name is Saraswati Mahal. Tanjavur Maratha Palace over. Let us know about Saraswati Mahal. Saraswati Mahal is considered as one of the oldest historical libraries in India. It is one of the oldest historical library in India. Saraswati Mahal also has a museum. The library has more than 1 million manuscripts in languages like Tamil, Sanskrit, Marathi, Telugu, and Manipravalam. Like Tamil, Sanskrit, Marathi, Telugu, and Manipravalam. Next, let us know about Padmanabhapuram Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Padmanabhapuram, that is in Kanyakumari district. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. What palace? Kalkulam palace. Padmanabhapuram palace is a wooden palace. It is made up of wooden palace which is built in Kerala style of architecture. It is a fine example of art and craftsmanship. The Padmanabhapuram palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. The palace has various sections like Queen Mother Palace, Council's Chamber, Southern Palace, and so on. That's all about this lesson. Before we conclude, let us recap some points. Palaces and forts are the prime attraction of Tamil Nadu tourism. Vellore Fort is a fine example of military architecture. The major attraction of Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is a courtyard and the dancing hall. Glossary. Manuscript. What is a manuscript? A document written by hand. A document written by hand. Moat. A deep, wide ditch surrounding a fort. Raiders. Invaders. Raiders means invaders. I'll give the book evaluation in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.